Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our language arts class. Today's topic, question mark. Objectives. Today, you will identify and use question mark correctly. You will also identify asking sentences that are correct. You will also write asking sentences. Now, look at this symbol. This is a question mark. Put your fingers on the screen and trace the question mark. A question mark is used at the end of an asking sentence. A question mark is used at the end of an asking sentence. Example, what is your name? Do you see that, boys and girls? I placed the question mark at the end of this asking sentence. What is your name? Question mark. These are some words that are used to begin asking sentences. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. So these words, they are used to begin different types of asking sentences. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. Who refers to a person. Who did it? What, when we're referring to a thing. Where, we're talking about place, okay? When, like a time frame. Why, when we need an answer as to why something has happened. How, when we want to find out how something went, all right? Here are some more examples of asking sentences. 1, who do you live with? Who do you live with? Question mark. 2, what is it? What is it? 3, where is your book? Where is your book? 4, when is your birthday? 5, why are you so happy? 6, how are you? Why do we ask questions? We ask questions when we want to find out about something. So if I want to know what time is it, then I am going to ask, what time is it? Or if I want to know why the book is wet, I am going to ask. Which sentence is correct? 1, who are you? Full stop. 2, who are you? Question mark. Now, if you said number 2, who are you with the question mark, then you are correct. Which sentence is correct? What is your name? There isn't any punctuation mark here. 2, what is your name? Full stop. 3, what is your name? Question mark. Now, which sentence is correct? Is it 1 without any punctuation mark? Is it 2 with a full stop? Is it number 3 with a question mark? Now, if you said number 3, then you are correct. Every asking sentence must end with a question mark. Now, where is question mark your book? 2, where is your book? Full stop. 3, where is your book? Question mark. Which sentence is correct? Now, if you said number 3, then you are correct. Where is your book? With a question mark at the end. When is your birthday? Question mark. 2, when is your birthday? Full stop. All right, so if you said 1, then you are correct. When is your birthday? With a question mark at the end. Question mark. An asking sentence ends with a question mark. Add a question mark. Now look at this picture. What is happening here? It seems as if someone is crying. So we're going to ask a question now. Why are you crying? Now we need to put the question mark at the end. Right. So why are you crying? Question mark. How was your vacation? Now we need to add the very good, the question mark. How was your vacation? Question mark. All right. Who is your mother? Who is your mother? So we need to add the question mark at the beginning or the end. All right. So if you said at the end, then you are correct. A question mark, an asking sentence ends with a question mark. Let me repeat that again. An asking sentence ends with a question mark. And this is a question mark. All right, boys and girls. So you're going to get out your writing books for those who do not have the textbook, and you are going to write your name, grade 1, DOB, which stands for date of birth. You're going to write in your own date of birth here. Today's date, which is March 12, 2021. Subject, language arts. Now topic, using the question mark. Now this activity can be found in your grade 1 integrated language arts workbook on page 137. Now write an asking sentence for each of the following sentences. 1 is done for you. All right, so 1, I am going to play in the yard. Now here is a sentence. Where are you going to play? Where are you going to play? I am going to play in the yard. All right, so that 1 was done for you. So here is number 2. The football is under the table. right here. The football is under the table. So you are going to write a question to match that sentence, right? To match the answer. Number 3, we are going to pray at 1 o'clock today. Now you are going to write a question for that answer. Number 4, my teacher is Mr. Brown. My teacher is Mr. Brown. So remember, you're going to write a question for that answer. Number 5, the color of the scarf is blue. You're going to write a question for that answer. Number 6, Brenda is going to school. Again, boys and girls, you're going to write a question for that answer. Number 7, his finger is bleeding. His finger is bleeding. So you're going to write a question for that answer. Now, for your extended learning activity, this can be found on pages 138 and 139 in your Grade 1 Integrated Language Arts workbook. Now, you're going to write a question about each picture, then answer the question. 1 is done for you. So look, you notice 1, there are what? 6 mangoes here. Now a question for that. Are there 6 mangoes here? Answer, yes, there are 6 mangoes here. Now number 2, 8 is greater than 5. You're going to write a question for it, and you're also going to write an answer. Number 3, 8 plus 3 equals, now you're going to write a question and also an answer. Number 4, 6 take away 5 equals, again, boys and girls, you're going to write a question and also an answer. Now, after you have completed this assignment, take a picture and send it to Mrs. Williams on WhatsApp or upload it in your Google Classroom. Have a great evening now, boys and girls. Until next time.